Hello everyone and welcome. This is going to be not so much as a how-to video, but this is a cute idea gift suggestion video. I'm going to show you how to bling this stainless steel leprechaun or St. Patrick's Day wine glass because we're coming up on that holiday soon. But I just had to show you these stainless steel wine glasses because I thought they were really good quality. And I had some extras, so I decided to make a leprechaun or a four-leaf clover St. Patrick's Day glass. So what we're going to use is this, make sure it's in the camera. It's these Unisweet 500 milliliters set of 4 wine glasses. And you're going to see in there just beautiful. It comes with a set of 4. I've already used one out the package. Let me show you. I was really pleasantly surprised with the quality of these. They come. That is gorgeous green. They come in a variety of different colors. But they are just really good quality wine glasses. I just love the color on there. The green is just beautiful. And the quality, again, is pretty good quality. So, and they're lightweight also. So I say all that because I used these before. And if I could pull up a video real quick, I did some bling Grinch type Christmas glasses for somebody, and I ended up ordering more than I needed, so that's why I have 3 more of these I need to do something with. So seeing as how I was trying to make these glasses, I wanted to share with everyone on the channel, and for new viewers, welcome. Just some suggestions with these. So what we're going to do is I made a decal because I sell these on my website, but they're actually glass wine glasses. But I'm going to use the same decal. And this size decal, let me see. And I found this 4-leaf clover. I just did a search for a 4-leaf clover online and brought it over in my Silhouette studio. This size of this decal looks like 225 by 2, something like that. Or you could do 2 by 2, or like I said, 2.25 by 2.25. But it's just a standard size wine glass decal. And this is a go-to thing also. It's like a silicone cup holder. I love it. I could actually hold it off of the side of the table and it'll still hold on to the cup. But I'm going to apply this decal. And I'm going to cut some slits to help it lay flatter on the glass. I have no fingernails. Okay. And I'm just gonna lay it like that. I like to have the little side. You could do it any kind of way you want to. And I'm gonna lay it on the flat part of the glass. And just press it down gently and taking my time because I want it to lay flat. I gotta admit though, I hate laying vinyl on curved surfaces. This little cup holder comes with a little brandish tool, so I'm just gonna help that lay. Oop. Slowly peel it up. I've had this decal for a long time, so it might be acting funny because I haven't used it. I'm just taking my time. Oop. Lay down. I might have to help it out and press it down a little bit. Okay. So there's a little shamrock. And if you watched any of my other videos on how to lay vinyl, I have my little heat gun. I'm just gonna nuke it real quick with the heat gun. Hit it with the heat gun. That helps the vinyl adhere to the glass, or to the cup. This is not a glass. While helping it press down the bubbles. And you don't want to press too hard because you might mess up the vinyl. So I pressed it a little hard over here, too hard. So don't do that. This is a little hot still, so I'm just gonna help adhere it to the glass, to cup, because it is a stainless steel cup. So see, that's where I pressed it too hard and I pulled the vinyl. But for this project, it doesn't matter because we are going to cover it with rhinestones. So the only other thing I'm going to do to this is I'm going to take some green rhinestones and apply it to the vinyl. And I'm also going to apply green and gold rhinestones along the base of this cup. Then we'll be finished with it. So again, the main purpose of this video is to show you the beautiful quality of this stainless steel cup and an idea that you could do with it. And like I mentioned, there's several different colors with this. And I'm going to have a link to the cup on Amazon, and you can see all the beautiful colors you can use these with. So let's go ahead and bling it up. Now, at one point, I caught these bulk. They're not emerald green. They're just regular green, or I forgot the name of them. But they're pretty green. I think these are 3mm. I couldn't get 5. Usually I work with 5mm when I bling stuff, but I just got these 3mm because it was kind of on sale with this vendor on Etsy called Blingy Thingy. But usually, like I said, I use emerald, but we're going to use these because I got to get rid of these because I have a lot of them. And I bought some, I have some 6mm size. That's too big for this project. So we're going to use this little 3mm size. And then I have gold, which is what we're not going to use a lot of for this. Just to have, the majority is going to be green, and we're going to have specks of gold. These are 5mm stones. And I'm just going to pour it out on my tabletop, make it easier. And GemTac as usual. GemTac, GemTac, GemTac. And all I'm going to do is going to fill this in with some little bit of GemTac, or a lot of GemTac, or whatever, leaf by leaf. I'm not going to put gold in the leaf. I'm just going to put it on the base. So I'm just going to fill it in. You hear my dog barking? Fill it in one by one with the stones. This is what we're looking like after all the stones have been applied to the shamrock. Now it's time to go around the base with the green and dab a couple parts with the gold. And I'm just going to apply the glue. A little bit at a time. We don't want the glue to dry out before we place the stone, so I'll put that much. This project would take a little bit longer for the fact that I'm not using my regular size 5mm. But that's what we had to work with, so I'm just going around the base, placing the stones around. I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, here's the shamrock again. Now here's the completed base. As you can see, I've put the green stones on there and specced it with gold. I also went around the side. So this 3mm is a good size because it fit perfectly on the base. And it makes it look more intricate with the smaller stones, but I still go with the 5mm. But when it comes to the base one, 3mm. So now all we need to do now, and then we are finished, is wait for the GemTac to dry clear. And I'll show you the final product on this simple, quick shamrock wine glass. And it's more convenient to buy them like this because for the simple fact that you're going to get an all over green glass. You don't have to like glitter the glass when you just use plain clear glass or color the glass. They already come colored. So all you have to do is add your embellishments and then you're finished. So we'll be back when this dries clear and you can see the finished product. Okay, it's been 24 hours. Next day results. GemTac is dried clear, and as you see, we are left with the beautiful blinginess of the rhinestones. This can be used for multiple things. You can give it as is, or else you can put them in gift baskets, what have you. Thanks for watching.